I can help you. Oh, time.
Hello again, everybody. Today we're going to do pages 32 and 33 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and this is the Let's Learn More section of Unit 4. So here we have some adjectives that we learned. And that's a hard word, but that word just means any word that tells about something. So if we want to tell more about this girl, we can say that she's young. What kind of girl is she? She's a young girl. All right, and what we're going to do first is just match them to their opposites. Before we do anything though, let's go ahead and remember all the words from the student book.
Tall, short, young, old, pretty, handsome.
Okay, let's trace and match. This says young, so Y-O-U-N-G, and she's young, which means if we go down here, then she is old. Young is the opposite of old. Young and old. Next, he's short. S-H-O-R-T. And the opposite of short can be tall. Short and tall. He's tall. Next, she's pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Okay, and one opposite for pretty could be handsome, because we use handsome to talk about men. So you could say, my mom's pretty and my dad is handsome. Part A is done. And this is part B. It just says unscramble and write. So we have the adjective here all mixed up, and then we have to put it into a sentence with he's or she's first. And remember that he's means he is, and she's means she is. And in your student books, this pattern looked like this. Okay, let's start. Horts is not a word. I think this should be short. So let's trace it. He's, it's a man, E'(S), short, S-H-O-R-T. Okay, number 2, it's a woman. So they already wrote she's. What could this be? Yetertapapa. Well, that's not right. Maybe pretty? P-R-E-T-T-Y. Yeah, pretty. Okay, let's write that. She's pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. She's pretty. Okay, the next one. This is a woman, a grandma, and this is a woman, a mother. So let's write she's first. She is, she's doll. No, she's not doll or dole. I think this is old. O-L-D. She's old. All right, last one, number 4. This is a girl, so we'll put she's, S-H-E'(S). She's ongyu. Ongyu is not right. Not old, maybe young? Y-O-U-N-G. Yes, we can do young. She's young. Y-O-U-N-G. She's young. And we're all done. Okay, and this is part C. It says trace and write. So we're gonna make a yes/no question and then write the answer, the yes/no answer. And this question answer pattern wasn't in the book except in the song. But we already learned it before by asking, is this or is it? So when I ask a yes/no question, I always start with the helping part. And in this case, it's one girl or one boy. So our helping part is always going to be is. And then the next word should be the thing I'm talking about. So in this case, it's going to be she. And I can just put my answer. Is she short? Is she tall? Is he old? Is he young? Like that. And even though it wasn't in our books, it should look like this. Okay, which means that when we give our answer, the is comes to the back, the she or he stays in the middle, and the front gets yes or no. Okay? Is she? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. It always matches. Let's start with number 1. Tracing only. Is she short? We'll look at the picture. Yes. So we'll write yes. And I said, is she? So yes, she. Yes, she is. Okay, next one. Is he tall? All right, trace it first. Is he tall? And look at the picture. No. That's right, no. What does it say? Is he? So no, he isn't. Is he? No, he. Next one. He young? Okay, we should write is first. Is, and then we can trace. He young? Well, he's a baby, so we'll say yes. Yes. And then they said he, so he's next. Yes, he is. And the last one. Tall. Okay, we'll put is first. Is, this is a woman, so she. Is she tall? And yes, so we can write yes, she is. Okay, part C is done. All right, this is part D. It says look and circle, and these were the commands that we practiced in our student books. So we're just gonna look at the picture and then circle the right answer. Number 1, is this read a book or count to 10? Read a book. Number 2, say the alphabet or write the word. Write the word. Number 3, say the alphabet or count to 10. Count to 10. Number 4, write the word or say the alphabet. Say the alphabet. Great, all done. Very good job, everybody.